friends, this question asked in GATE 1995 in 2 marks. Okay, so let's see what it is saying. Theory of computation needs practice. As many questions you will practice, you will get more marks in TOC, right? So let's see what it is saying. Which of the following definitions below generates the same language as L, where L equal to this? Okay, so first we need to generate a language for the given language. So L equal to what? Xn by n greater than equal to 1, right? So which language it is generating? L equal to what? When we will take n equal to 1, then it will give what? Xy. The minimum string is what? Xy. When we will take what? N equal to 2, then what it will give you? X square by square mean xx yy, right? When you will get n equal to 3, then what it will give you? Triple x triple y and 4 times x and 4 times y and so on. Okay, when you will take n equal to 4, then it will give you 4 times x and 4 times y. You can say that it is generating equal number of string in which we have equal number of x and equal number of y. Okay, fine. So let's take the first. It is generating the same language or not as given in the question. Okay, so let's take the grammar. E tends to x e y x y, right? Okay, so it is generating what? It is generating a minimum string, because from the starting symbol directly given xy, so it is generating a minimum string xy, right? So let's see, it is generating the another string that is present in language, given language or not. Okay, so we need to take what? To see the other strings that is presented in language, it is generating or not. So we need to take what? X e y. If we will replace this e with this xy, then what we will get? X y y. Okay, so it is generating a string xx y y also. So it is present in the language. Yes, it is present in the language and it is also generating xx y y, right? Comma. Okay, so to see this is grammar generating this string or not. Okay, so we need to take what? Again x e y, right? If we will replace this e with this protection x e y, then x e y y, right? If we will replace this e with this xy, then what we will get? X y y y. Yes, it is also generating a string triple x triple y, and this is also present in the given language. Okay, so it is also generating, right? And so on and so on and so on. Okay, so we can say that it will generate a language which is similar to the given language. So this is generating, yes, this is a true. Okay, so let's take second. Xy plus x plus xy y plus, right? So it is generating a language in which the minimum string is what? Xy. So either we can take xy, this string, or we can take this string. We can generate a string from this expression also. Okay, so this expression will give you what? If you are going to take 2 times x from the positive closure of x, okay, so x is also present, x and y is also present here, and we are getting only 1 by from a positive closure of y. Okay, so this string triple x y y is not present in the given language. Triple x y y is not presenting in the given language, but it is generating by the option statement second. Okay, it is generating by the statement second, means statement second language contains this string, but it is not present in the given language. It is asking you now which is generating the similar language as given the language in the question. So it is not generating the similar language, so this one is not correct. This one is not correct. This one is not correct. Okay. Similar, if you will take what 3 statement, then what x plus y plus, right? X plus y plus. Okay. So it is generating language when you will take one time x, then x is there, x y. Okay, no problem at all. But when we are taking x 2 times from the positive closure of x, xx, and we are taking by only the positive closure of y, then it is also generating a string xx by. It is also generating a string xx by, which is not present in the given language. Means the given language is not generating the string xxy, but the third statement is generating the string xxy also. So you can say that the third statement is also not giving the same language as given in the question. Okay, so this one is not true. This one is not true. So which option is true only? Which option is which statement is generating the same language as given in the question language? Option first only. So option A is correct. Option A is correct. Very good question. In TOC you need practice. Okay. So you can see the solution for this. You can see the solution for this. Okay. So it is generating the same language of this. Here they takes what 4 times of x and y. Okay, I explained what x y. Okay, so this is also not presenting in the language set of the given language. So that's why only first generating the same language as L. So option A is true. Okay, thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.